My dear brothers and sisters, we have been listening to Prophet Jeremiah. In yesterday's first reading, he said, "Do not make alliance with Babylon or Egypt, for they cannot save you, Judah. Only God can save you." But the people of Judah did not listen to Jeremiah. They had their reasons. They felt that Prophet Jeremiah was making fun of them and wanted something evil for them. But there was nothing in the heart of Prophet Jeremiah. He was only doing his duty. He was prophesying whatever God told him to prophesy. For example, he carried the yoke on his shoulders to symbolize the subjugation of Judah to Babylon. But they did not listen to him. Today's first reading has two parts. The first part, God tells the people of near extinction as punishment. And in the year 722 BC, Israel ceased to exist. Now the people of Judah should have learnt their lesson and should have listened to Prophet Jeremiah. But they did not heed his advice. That's why King Nebuchadnezzar took their treasures and carried the remnant into exile. But the second part of today's first reading speaks of restoration. Restoration of twofold. To the land of promise and to the God of promise. And today's gospel we see the Pharisees were focused on three things: hand washing, ritual cleanliness, and traditions passed down through the generations. In their heart, they really did not love God. Neither were they interested in the holiness of people. They were hypocrites. But Jesus points to the source of true purity, that is the heart. In today's gospel we have seen, he says, it is not what enters the mouth that defiles a person, but what comes out of the mouth that defiles a person. And fruit of unclean heart is anger, deceit, envy, pride, and slander. Jesus teaches that religion is not about external performances, but internal transformation. Let's take a leaf out of today's gospel and let's concentrate. How are we observing our religion? Is it to show others or for my inner transformation, or I love God?